Yo guys, what's good? We are back. This is Monday and we're back in the trades today. We are not lacking. We're going to be beating the markets today. We do see a few good opportunities. We are going against the trend, so some people are going to get mad, but we're just going to go with it. We're going to see what happens. We're going to risk less because it's Monday, and we're going to learn from our mistakes. If you guys like this, obviously you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, and check out our traders headquarters down below. If you guys want to join me and grow with me to the top, disclaimer, I'm not profitable, but if you guys want to join my journey, traders headquarters down below. Catch you all there. Yo guys, so I actually completely forgot that I was supposed to risk less on this trade. In essence, I actually risked, the normal $25, but instead what I did was I actually took out and I put back in, round right here, back to my normal percentage, because I don't really risk $25 no more, especially on Mondays, because Mondays, I don't know, they're a bit difficult. So I'm just gonna risk $12, see how it goes, and price is looking like it's really doing good. Probably just gonna let this run, guys. You guys are just gonna see the whole play out of how it goes. The reason why I did buy here, guys, so let me just explain the whole thing from top down analysis, guys. You can see the trend, guys. I don't have to tell you guys where the market's heading. Okay, the market wants to go down, but I am buying. You guys must be wondering why. It's because you can also say from this market, this is in the congestion phase and price could be pushing to the upside. Because yeah, I did say it was pushing down, but during this whole phase right here, price is actually ranging. And usually from the range, it pushes down, ranges, and then reverses. Sometimes it continues pushing down, which is okay, but in this case it could also be seen as price is grabbing liquidity and from Monday to reverse. If it was Thursday and this is Friday, then I would still think price is going to push down, but in this case it's new day, new week, meaning shit could just fuck up. Shit could just switch. And price also missed to grab liquidity up the top here, so we're expecting price to at least grab this top liquidity. We may not be getting too much from this, guys, too much from this trade because of how much we're risking. We're not risking too much. It's a 1 to 2, so we'll probably just get literally one whole trade, one normal whole trade usually. See how this goes. We love the rejection here, and I'm really just gonna play this, guys, and you guys are just gonna see the whole play out. I'm not gonna be skipping. I'm just gonna leave this going, and you guys are just gonna see the whole thing.
Tired of all these hoes, baby, I need your love. I just told Bo it's us. I hit that one, no fuss. I hit that one, then cut. Aye, skirt, I'm in a rush. Aye, it's us. Aye, it's us. See me now, they act up. Back then you wouldn't look my way. Blue little bag today, relax, babe, it's just 10K. The labels know they need me. When I smile, you see the VVs. My bro just got that CC. I just put her in CC. Aye, it's us. I just put her in Chanel. My haters, I wish you well. Bear don't kiss and tell. My ups are broke as hell. It's us. It's us.
Left hand on brick and my right hand stunner. Woke up in the middle of the night. On my ops still broke. Oh my God, what a bummer. All the pussy niggas get robbed in the summer. Kick on my Hummer, kick on my bitch. Switch on the stick, switch on your ass. Doggy wanted blood, mine was made that fast. Papa G6, then he complete his task.
Tired of all these hoes, baby, I need your love. I just told Bo it's us. I hit that one, no fuss. I hit that one, then cut. Aye, skirt, I'm in a rush. Aye, it's us. Aye, it's us.
It's us, we turn them niggas to dust. I mixed the red with the tuss. I wanna fuck, not fuss. None of these niggas scare me. Walking around with his chest poked out, must be an Aries. Blitz don't discriminate, hit that nigga about his Sperry's. Blitz don't discriminate, hit that nigga about his Tims. Blitz don't discriminate, hit that bitch about her heels. Now you gotta see me when you come down off that pill, right? All that shit you said, fiction. Everybody I ride with, blitzing.
Yo guys, you can clearly see that price is just in sort of like a range sort of thing. And remember how I say that when price is in a range in a certain area where we're taking a buy up or sell down, whatever the case may be, when it's ranging, it decreases the probability of price actually pushing your way. So in this case, I just cut my stop loss in half. I put it just below liquidity. And we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna let it play out. If price is my stop loss, we can say another thing to learn is just to take out when price is ranging and it's not acting your way. And we can just have another thing to learn if price hits our stop loss here. And we can either learn from having a full stop loss if price starts to push up after grabbing liquidity, taking out when we can see a range forming, and either if price does push up, we let it go, we just call it and we just wait for a better opportunity, either on Euro USD or GU, or we just cut our stop loss, which we have done right now. I'm just gonna learn something either way from what happens now, because originally my stop loss, as you guys saw before, was 15 pips. Now it's 8 pips, just because we put it just below the liquidity grab, because price can easily come down here, grab liquidity and push to the upside. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, you can clearly see here that we can learn either that price, we should get out when price starts to range, once we can identify that price is ranging. How I identify that price is ranging, you can start from the bullish momentum that price just did. Price came all the way up to the daily open price, pushed down. That's when I bought in because I thought price was it was respecting the 50% retracement from that bullish push. And instead of price just pushing up and breaking the previous high, instead it just started to range and literally with little to no momentum to the upside. So in this case, guys, we can say just to take out early, like take out as soon as we see price ranging and wait for better areas to hop in, reposition, or we can just say to cut our losses and just to have that chance still for price to push up. So yeah, guys, that's what we've learned, and we're probably just going to look for another opportunity for us to buy, which is probably going to be at this monthly open price, just seeing how price reacts there. Let's see what happens. We're back in another trade, guys. We're still taking a buy because we still think it's a buy. This is actually in a better position just because it's crossed through the monthly open prices. On the 4 hour, it's about to form a new candle. You can see the rejection here, so price can either push down, break through, or we can either reject and have that retracement up, which could potentially break and have a complete reversal, which we're waiting on. Yep, perfect entries right now, perfect. This is exactly what I'm in right now. We're just gonna let this play out and see what happens, guys. So price decided to fake me out. And I fell for it. Took a buy. Doesn't look like price wants to work. We may just call it a day. Price can still definitely push up in New York. So we're probably just going to wait till New York, guys. Probably what I can learn from this is maybe taking out sooner. Like probably here, I could have saved like 2.7 pips. So I let it drag out the whole way. But I think it was definitely valid for me to let it drag out the whole way just because there was a monthly open price right here. I wanted price just to see if it was going to reject that area. So it's unfortunate. Probably just going to wait for prices to hit the New York session. But I can also clearly see that probably we're better off taking a sell here, but it doesn't necessarily go with, like, it does go with market structure, definitely. So I probably missed my sell right here, which I should have taken just because of how price has been acting. You know, it's like up here, breakthrough, the retest, and the push down. So I'm just gonna wait for New York. New York is gonna be my last time to buy, and yeah, if New York doesn't want to buy it, then I'm just gonna call it a day. And I think we'll only be down around, I think 30 bucks, not bad. Just because I risked half the amount anyway. And obviously I saved like 50% here, sort of thing. I saved here nothing, but like I made sure price was just going to drill through, which it essentially did. And yeah, I'm really just saving. So I'm just going to wait for New York to come by. You can say it's in 5 minutes, so I could probably take another buy here. I may just have a 20 pip stop loss just because price can literally go all the way down. But you know what? I still think price is going to push lower. I want to see how far price was. No, okay. Can't really know if price is going to push lower or not, but I still think price is going to push lower. It's probably going to push up when it is hitting 11 o'clock, so we may just take a trade at 10. But we'll just see what happens. Fast forward, I took one more trade, which was during New York, and essentially I took it here, took a buy here. Price decided to come up, rejected off the monthly open price, started pushing down, and I took out down here. When I took out, price actually kind of didn't want to take the liquidity from below, and we can see some sharp rises to the upside right now. So this can be where the reversal could be, or it could just be a huge fake out, and we can either range until New York open, or it could just reverse and push down lower. We can only tell when price starts acting right, and right now this could be a possible chance where the reversal happened. But you know, I took out a bit early. I cut my loss, which could be a big lesson to learn, where I just don't cut my losses in New York because New York likes taking liquidity. It could also be that this could just be a huge reversal. It seems pretty good right now. It looks like price just, you know, couldn't break through the previous low, and now it could be rejecting and pushing to the upside. Could be making a double bottom, pushing up, but I'm not too sure, guys. So we're probably just going to check this out tomorrow. We have to have an early night, guys, because you know we have a 9 to 5. It's unfortunate, but we're gonna live. Anyway, lessons to learn from this is probably the bias. Let's just check out our top-down analysis once more, just to see if we got everything right. So you could have seen that right here was the congestion, here was the early phase 2, and then here was the phase 3 that we can conclude with, especially it went with the 4-hour trend. So we can say that we just had the wrong bias and the wrong market cycle sort of outlook on it. because we did think that during this time that we were in a phase 2 area. It really just depended if price reverses all the way up here or not, because we did think during these trades that we were gonna be into the phase 3 section, but this could have dead ass just been the phase 3 section of pushing down, which we can clearly see that price just, didn't want to stop pushing down. But here could be the area where, it congests and pushes to the upside. Judging from our market analysis, you can see here the congestion and then the breakthrough, which is the phase 2. Phase 2 comes back up. The reason why I was looking for a buy specifically as well was because price didn't actually grab this liquidity. If price grabbed this liquidity, I'll probably be looking for sells as well, because it's already grabbed all of the liquidity that I would be targeting. In the end, price continued to just drill down, and this was an area, probably also a sign for price to continue pushing down from the break and retest on the daily and weekly open price, which you can see. I don't know. Really just depends on what happens here, guys. Really just depends on what happens here. I'm just gonna let you guys know probably tomorrow, see what happens. If price does do a reversal right here, then we just made a really big mistake, and we're just gonna learn just to hold our stop losses. And that's really it, guys. Can't really tell you much. So like I said, guys, if you guys aren't in Traders Headquarters, down below, join me there. I know I'm taking a few L's today, but we're gonna clutch back. It's Monday. Mondays are trash anyway. But we're gonna learn. Anyway, y'all, hope you all enjoyed. God bless y'all.